So I'm often asked how to use the features of the BennVenn GGHD, so I'm going to run through how it works when I've installed it. So when we turn it on, down the bottom we have the touchpad, so we can bring up the on-screen menu, and on there you can change the scanline modes. So by pressing start, turn that down. You can go vertical, horizontal, and then also squares. You can also then change the scaling mode. So that puts it to the normal viewing size window, and this is the integer scaled. You've then got an option down the bottom there to save what you'd like to do. And for output, we can simply plug the HDMI in, and we can choose the output to be monitor. And there it is. And then you can turn off the on-screen by doing so. Okay, that's pretty instant. And then finally, the only thing that won't go through here is the audio. So if you want the audio, you're going to have to plug it in yourself to an audio device. You can still control it, and then you're good to go. And that's it. Nothing to it.